How's it going?
Hey man, good, good. Yourself?
Good. Okay, there we go. All right, we got a Ford Mustang, huh? These cars are like in high demand, you know? Like there's collectors that collect them.
What was that?
There's like people that collect them. You're probably.
Yeah.
You must be one of them, huh?
No, it's a V6.
Oh, is that okay?
Yeah, it's just a V6.
Gotcha.
Did put a lot of money into it though.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I bought it for like $600.
Did you really?
Yeah.
And you fixed it all up?
Yeah, I fixed it all up with my dad.
Nice.
It took a couple months.
That's it?
Yeah. I had another one before, so this is my second one.
Gotcha. What happened to the other one?
My transmission broke.
Okay.
And then I found this one for $600.
That's cool.
And I've been having it ever since.
Nice. I don't feel nothing on this one. Start again. All right, some of these are stuck. See if we can get them moving. Need some WD-40, it looks like. Well, they're moving now, so let's see. Barely moving. All right, your lock needs WD-40, definitely.
WD-40?
Yeah. Let's see if we got, yeah. Still stuck. Does your key work in the door lock?
Yeah.
It does. This one should be falling down. It's not. Can't pick it. If I don't have movement, I can't pick it basically. So that's. I can still open it. Don't worry. There's like, can use an airbag, I guess, on this one, but try to get a little bit more in there. Yeah, that 3 is stuck. That 1 is stuck. Got a little bit of movement on it. Maybe 7, no. Let's try. There we go. Yep.
Let me grab my keys real quick.
Yeah. I'll call you 1 minute, okay? Yeah, we got it done, you know.
Yeah, thank you.
Believe it or not, it's my birthday tonight. I shouldn't be working.
Really? Happy
I
birthday,
turned
man.
40 today.
Turned 40?
Yeah.
40? Wow. Yeah. I turned 21.
You're so close by, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank God.
Turned 21, huh?
Yeah, I turned 21 December.
Way to make me feel old, you know? Never tried?
Right.
So what you do is you just turn the key like 8 times or 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I heard it. They barely moved.
Oh, you got it working.
Yeah. So,
What?
cool.
Let me see.
Yeah, try that.
Wait, yeah, the doors have trouble locking.
Yeah.
With right here, I try to lock them with this, but now.
Lock it up. Do the lock? It locks, but it's still open.
Yeah, I would have to.
But lock it with the key. See if it unlocks. It should open your trunk for sure, though.
Try to lock it real quick.
Dang, how'd you manage to get locked out though?
I forgot my keys in it.
Okay, that's it. No, you did. No, lock it again.
Oh, yeah.
And then try with the remote. No, so take it out.
Oh.
So it's locked?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
And then,
Okay.
which one? Oh, it's locked.
I would probably have to fix the mechanism.
Yeah. But the trunk button should
Oh.
work.
Thank,
Cool.
Thank you so much.
No
Oh
problem.
my. Well, I didn't know you only had to do it 8 times.
That's it.